Morning. It's early. Getting up, heading down to the property. Got the Can-Am loaded up. Ready to do some work. All right, guys, we're back here at the property today. Got some guys here with me to help. They're riding the four-wheel around, checking out the property. You see him out there in the distance. It's Sean's first time out here, so he came to help. Yeah, we're gonna be working on this wood line, so you can see what Lauren and I did last time. And then we also, our goal is to finish clearing out this entire wood line. If you see it, all the way down to the pond. And we still got to finish clearing out the pond and even the back side of that dam still. So, yeah, we're going to get to work. You guys enjoy the time. Enjoy the day. Taking down this gumball tree. We're going to see if this Can-Am can do it. Well, we're making progress. What you think, Sean? You having fun yet? We don't know what he's doing. He's just been cutting down trees left and right. We turn around, he's got another 3 trees on the ground. We don't know what he's doing. Can-Am time. For it. Oh yeah. Woo. All right, so progress update. Sean, how was the day? Good. It was good. Lots of hard work, but we extended this brush pile by about, I don't know, 25 feet. Oh, here comes old man flying by. Gotta have a little bit of fun while we're out here. So, if you remember what Lauren and I did, we got to about this 3rd cedar here. And what we did today, we extended it about another 25 yards. I'd say maybe even 30 yards past this cedar to about here. So I'd say we're about halfway now to the pond, which is the goal. But overall, we're happy. On this last little bit, there were a lot of big trees. So, I mean, we took out maybe 14 trees here. So you can see all the stumps. There were a lot of big, a lot bigger trees. than what we were working with last time. Last time it was a lot more vines and underbrush, but overall it's a good day. Got a lot done. Getting ready to pack up, head home. All right, guys.